recording beta. Okay,
Yes,
good
sir.
evening, dear student, and welcome again to my home for math lecture probability. Okay, we have completed 3.5.4 yesterday. Now, choose the correct alternative from each. Which number cannot represent probability? Cannot, they have given, cannot. 2 by 3, 1.5, 15%, 0.7%. This is 0.66666. So it is a probability which is less than 1, greater than 0. This is greater than 1, not a probability. 15 divided by 100, 0.15. 0.7 less than, which is not, 1.5 is not. With reason you have to write, you have not to just tick 1 to 3. Dice roll, when the probability that the number appearing on upper face is less than 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out of 6, less than 6, so 2, that is 1 by 3. You have to find out. So B is the answer. Here also B is the answer. Here also B is the answer. Now, what is the probability of event? Then the number chosen from 1 to 100 is a prime number. From 1 to 100, what is the probability? That actually you have to find out, and you will get 25 numbers are prime. So 25 numbers are prime out of 100. So it is 1/4. C number, C. There are 40 cards from 1 to 40. What is the probability that the card bears a number with multiple of 5? 1 to 40. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 pair. 4 pair means 8 number out of 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, 1. In each out of 5, 1, each out of 5, 1. Finally, you will get 1 by 5. That is A. Answer is A. Number of A is 2. Probability of A is 1.5. So what is probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. Probability of A is given 1/5. Number of A also it is given 2. So number of S, product. Now, okay, wait. It is okay now or more blur?
Yeah, sir.
You want this light or off?
Just off it.
Okay. Okay. Now problem set. Question number basketball player John Wasim were practicing the ball, drop into the basket. The probability of John probability is 4/5. Wasim probability is 0.83. And third, that is 58%. Who had the greatest probability of the success? So make this 20 multiple, because we want out of 100. Multiply this. So out of 100 it is 80. This is 83. Remove point. 58. Remove percent. 100 times when they will throw, this will do 80 times, 83 times 50. So I have converted everything, not in decibel, but everything into this. This is the first method. Second method, this any number divisible by 5 means make it double. 4 means 8. Cut 1 point. You can write 80. This is 0.83. This is 0.50. So this. So by decimal, by percentage, by out of same value, you can compare the probability. 3 different probability, how you can compare when out of is same? Okay, otherwise you can't compare. So our second method is convert all the things in fraction. So middle one is Wasim. So probability of V is maximum 3. Hockey team, there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders and 1 goalie. Out of this, 1 player is to be selected randomly as a captain. Find out the probability of the selection. So for S, defender 6, off player 4, goalkeeper 1. Total
Sir, your
11.
voice is not coming.
Now it is coming. Sumira, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Now voice is coming. My voice is coming.
Yes, sir, but little breaking. Yes, sir,
Okay, now it is
but
coming.
now your voice is breaking.
Now it is okay.
Yes.
Very much near the speaker I am speaking, bacha. Now it is okay. Only goalkeeper will select. So, 1. Therefore, number of A. We can select only goalkeeper as the captain. Second, D can be selected. So D is how much? Defender 6. In a cricket match, there are also 3 types: wicket keeper, bowler, batsman. Like in footballer, defenders means who stops the goal, and O for opponent means they will try to do the goal in opposite post, and goalkeeper also they stop the goal. So probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. That is 1 out of 11. Probability of B, number of B divided by number of S.
सर आपका
Out of
स्क्रीन
11,
ब्लर
but
दिख रहा है.
wait, I am doing. It is okay?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. Third. Now fourth. Joseph kept 26 card in a cap. And that is a English alphabet, 36. Sorry, 26. One card is drawn at the random. What is the probability for vowels? Alphabet card. (26). So number of S, 26. First, vowel A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels which we have to select from 26 playing card. Okay. So number of A, or first write A. Here you can write where it is possible. No, you write. So number of A is equal to 5. Probability of A, number of A divided by number of S. 5 out of 26. So vowels, say, who want to speak? Speak. Balloon Mender has a 3 red, 2 red, 3 blue, 4 green. Balloon. 2 red, 3 blue, 4 green. So S is equal to red 1, red 2, blue 1, blue 2, blue 3, G1, G2, G3, G4. So number of S, total balloons are 9 balloons. Now we have to select A group, only red. So A, red 1, red 2. So number of A, second, blue. So B, blue 1, blue 2, blue 3. Number of B, this all you have to highlight. Only green. Always group name can be ABC or PQR. Number of C. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S. So A is 2 out of 9. Probability of B, number of B, number of S. 3 by 9, sorry. And probability of C, number of C, divided by number of S, 4 by 9. This you can reduce 1 by 3. And now, one time I have asked the question like range, remember the range. Remember the range of the probability, always range of the probability. Probability of any, for example, A. Probability always it can be 0 more than 0, 1 less than 0, means it lies in between 0 and 1 and including both. That is why I am writing equal equal. Second question, same intelligent question. Once I have asked in 1 mark. In probability, final answer. Generally, in algebra or geometry, in final answer, if units are not given, we are writing unit. Suppose length AB we got or area we got, we will write 3 centimeter or 3 unit or 3 square unit. But in probability, whatever the number, card, kilogram, goalkeeper, number of books, number of color, dice, coin, but at the end, in a probability, we never write unit. Tell me why. सोचो खुद और बाद में मुझे जवाब देना चाहिए तो मुझे व्हाट्सएप करना. Next question. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue, 3 green pen. What are the probability that pen is blue? In box, 5 red pen. Eight. So number of S is equal to 16. Only blue. So number of A, blue is 8. Probability of A, half means 50%. 50% half are blue. 6 face of a dice, it is noted as A, B, C, D, E. So 7th S, A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E and A again. A appears first. A appears.
Sir,
Uh,
can you explain me again box wala?
this.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
there are three types of color. 5 pen red, 8 pen blue, 3 pen green. So in a box, total 5 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 16 pen. From that, I have to pick up only blue. So blue are 8. So total number of pen of blue are total 8. Probability of A, that is 8 out of 16. 8 twos are 16. So half. Half means 50%. So half pen are blue, rest of half are red and green. Now here
Thank you, sir.
A appears on upper face. So A, we can't write A again, sorry. That is P. P also you can't take because that we are using symbol as a probability. So write Q. So number of Q is equal to 1. Number of S is equal to 6. Second question. A 2 times, sorry. Then D appears. Upper surface. So QR, D only. So number of R. So probability of Q is equal to number of Q divided by number of S. Q, 2 out of 6, 1/3. Probability of R, number of R, 1/6. That is the answer. A box contains 30 tickets bearing only one number from 1 to 30. 1 to 30 numbers are there. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. You will write all the numbers 28, 29, 30. So the number of S is equal to 30. Eighth question. First, odd number. Odd number. 1, 3, 5, 29. Exactly half odd, exactly half even. So number of A. Complete square number. One ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25. That's it. Because 6 6 are 36. That is out of the number which is a perfect square means whose square root is possible. Correct? So number of B, 5 only. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S. A is 15. This is 30. Second, probability of B, number of B. On higher standard 11, 12, probability is very important. Huh? One by 6. Ninth one is a geometrical calculation that we are doing. I will send the video, but in case no, if there is any technical error, you just capture this. What happened? Huh. rectangle that is full set of length 77 meter. This is 50 meter. In there is a circle 7 meter radii, 14 meter diameter. Find the probability of event that it fall in the leg. On this rectangle garden, one plane is roaming. It will fall, but it will fall in this part, circle part. So find out the probability that it will fall in the leg. This is a leg. So area of rectangle. Length into breadth. That is 50 into 77 meter square. Don't calculate. Area of pond. What is the name it is given? Pond, I think. Lake. It is circle, so pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 cut, it is 22 by 22 into 7 meter square. So number of S, total availability is how much? 77 into 50. Number of A of lake area, that is 22 into 7. So probability of A in lake, probability means how many part it can, how many way it can fall. So that is number of A, number of S. Means out of this only this much selection. That only geometrically you have to calculate. A 22 into 7, 50 into 77. So 7 11 ja, 11 2 ja, 2 25 ja. That plane can be fall in this lake, that is this. Next one is very easiest. It's a game and moving circle. This circle can rotate from here, and they have given 8 parts. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And at present, this is a fix. You have to rotate this circle. Slowly by the fraction, it will stop. And this arrow will indicate the number. Like that, the game is there. So the number array sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now first question. First, only 8. So A is equal to 8. So number of A is equal to 1. Here number of S is equal to 8. Second, odd number. So B, 1, 3, 5, 7. So number of B, greater than 2, C group, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of C, fourth also given. Less than 9. X greater than 2, x less than 9. So D all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of D. Now probability of A is equal to number of A divided by number of S. 1 by 8. Probability of B, number of A, number of B divided by number of S. Correct? D, number of probability of C. D, D, 8 out of 8. When full out of full means 1. 1 means what? 100%. In exam, suppose they will ask 3 questions. So for 3 set, 1, 1, 1, 1 are a half mark, and 3 probability half mark. Like that, they will joint 1, 1 mark. Remember that. How many minutes remain, beta? Six card from. Huh? How many?
4 minutes, sir.
Arey baapre. Okay. So S is equal to 0 to 5. So number of S is equal to 5. Natural number 1. So A is equal to 0 will not there. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, less than 1. So less than 1 only 0. Whole number means all 0. Rejoin after this, okay? Greater than 5. Greater than 5 means empty. Natural number 1 to 5 are natural. 0 is not natural. So 5 out of 6. Why I have written this 6? This is 5 out of 6. Less than 1. 0 is there. 0 is an element. Don't write empty. So 1 element. 1. 1 out of 6. What number? These are all number. All numbers start from 0. So 6 out of 6. So probability is 1. Full on full. Full out of full. Greater than 5. Only one number. So greater than 5. There is no number. So empty divided by full 6. So 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0. So this is the minimum 0 probability. This is the maximum 1 probability. Okay. How much minute remain now?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Again 2 minutes. Good. So number of S 6, number of A 5, number of B 1, 0 count as 1, number of C 6, number of D 0. So probability of A, number of A divided by number of S, 5 by 6. Probability of B, number of B divided by number of S, that is 1 by 6. Probability of C is equal to number of C divided by number of S is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Probability of D is equal to number of D divided by number of S, 0 by 6 is equal to 0. Now one more 2 minute or what? Okay, rejoin and start for
1 minute.
Cut and rejoin.
That will end.
Huh? Rejoin.
It will